I know that you've watched dozens of weight loss videos. Maybe you've tried strict diets or exhausting workouts, but in the end, you gave up. So in this video, I'm going to share a simple daily routine that doesn't involve starving yourself. If you stick with it for just a few days, you'll start noticing a visible difference in both your body and your overall appearance. The best part is that these are all small daily habits, but they can make a big difference when you stay consistent.
The first thing you should do after waking up is drink 2 glasses of water. It helps your body wake up and get ready for the day. Then, don't skip breakfast, because skipping it usually makes you feel hungrier later. Keep your breakfast simple, like eggs, oatmeal, or whole wheat bread with light cheese. After breakfast, try to stay active for 10 to 15 minutes, whether it's walking around the house or doing a light workout. At lunchtime, aim for a balanced meal with a source of protein like chicken or tuna, plenty of vegetables, and a moderate portion of carbohydrates such as rice or bread. Try to cut back on fried and heavy meals, not because they're completely off limits, but because eating them every day can slow your weight loss. And don't forget to drink water between meals, since your body can sometimes mistake thirst for hunger. Here's a smart little trick. After lunch, drink soaked chia seeds. They can help you feel full for longer. If you start feeling hungry a few hours before dinner, avoid mindlessly snacking. Instead, have a healthy snack like a green apple or some cucumber. Then, try going for a 15 to 20-minute walk, even if it's just around your home. Small daily walks can make a big difference. For dinner, keep it light with something like a salad, soup, or yogurt, and try to eat at least 2 hours before bed. Heavy meals late at night can encourage your body to store more energy instead of using it. Also, don't underestimate the importance of sleep. Staying up late can slow your metabolism and make you feel hungrier the next day. If you're hoping to see results before a special occasion, focus on the basics. Cut back on sugary foods and soft drinks, and don't starve yourself. Consistency is far more important than perfection. Even if your goal is to lose 15 kilograms, it's possible with time and the right habits. Just remember that every body is different. Some people see results faster, while others need more time, and that's completely normal. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, just stay consistent. If you've made it this far, it means you're serious about becoming the best version of yourself. So don't forget to subscribe, because this channel is full of simple tips to help you lose weight, build healthy habits, and feel more confident. See you in the next video.